Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Nell's Unboxing World. Okay, so I have something a little bit different for you guys to watch today. We ordered this off of Amazon. It's something that we've needed for our house and our other property. That tape is so hard to cut through. I hate that tape. I finally got it open. Let's pull the packaging out. And it's a solar wall. It's a solar light. It goes on our house. One will go here where we live, and the other will go at our other property. It is a 2-pack. I felt that they were quite a bit smaller than what they looked on Amazon. It does come with the hardware for both lamps, an instruction manual, the box fell apart. That is a solar panel where the sun charges it. It's got the protective cover on it. That's my favorite part of anything new like that, just to peel off those stickers. See, it's small. I feel that it's smaller than what it looked in the thing. It's got 3 different settings. That's low, medium, and high. And it was super easy to put up on the house. My husband did it within just a few minutes. There it is above the window, and it comes on as soon as it detects motion. And it's relatively bright for such a small little lamp. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.